Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Shopify clone. First, define the essential features your platform needs, such as product management, secure checkout, and user authentication. Next, select an architectural approach that supports future growth and feature additions. Think about the different types of users, like store owners and shoppers, and design their respective interfaces. A clear plan ensures a robust and user-friendly e-commerce solution. To build a successful e-commerce platform, focus on key features. You'll need a robust product catalog allowing for detailed listings and high-quality images. A secure shopping cart and a smooth, multi-step checkout process are crucial for conversions. Integrate popular payment gateways to provide customers with diverse payment choices. Finally, an administrative dashboard empowers store owners to efficiently manage their products, orders, and customer data. For the technology stack, consider a powerful backend framework like Node.js or Python with Django. For the frontend, a modern JavaScript library such as React or Vue.js will create a dynamic user experience. A reliable database like PostgreSQL is essential for managing product, order, and user data. Don't forget to implement strong security measures for user authentication and data protection across the entire platform. Once developed, deploying your platform requires careful planning. Select a reliable cloud provider such as AWS or Google Cloud for hosting your application. Implement CI/CD pipelines to automate testing and deployment, ensuring rapid updates. Design your architecture for horizontal scalability, allowing you to add more resources as your user base grows. Regular monitoring of performance and security is vital for maintaining a stable and efficient e-commerce environment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.